recipe is about beef stew with red wine and vegetables. So I'm going to show you the ingredients here. We have beef, we have kale, mushrooms, and then potatoes. We have carrots, we have sweet peas, onion, we have garlic, bayleaf, and thyme. We have flour, we have red wine, and we have the beef broth or chicken broth, and of course the oil. By the way, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and you will be able to see the different recipes that I cook, that I have, and also our travel adventures and all about pets and gardening. So stay tuned for our other videos. And right now I'm going to show you how to cook this beef stew, which is one of my husband's favorites, and I hope that you will like it and try it at home. Okay, so we're gonna start now, and I'm going to show you how to do this simple recipe. Thank you. Okay, so to start, we're going to have oil. Okay, going to heat the oil, and then we're going to put the garlic, and I think it's already hot, so let's put the garlic so you can hear the noise, the sound. Okay, first of all, we're going to put the beef. We're going to make it brown, and then we will set it aside. So that the beef will absorb the flavor of the garlic. Okay, so let us brown it. Okay, and put a little bit of salt. Okay, we will put it, close it, maybe around 10 minutes. Yeah, after 10 minutes, check it out. Okay, so we will see if it's already brown. So it's still pink, so we have to add some more minutes until it's brown. So medyo ano na siya, nadadry na. So napakulaan na natin ang beef. So we already it's almost dried up. It's only oil. So we're going to remove the beef from this pan, and then we will put the mushroom. Now we're going to put the mushroom. We're gonna put onion, thyme, and the bay leaf, a little bit of salt, smells good. We'll put the red wine. And the broth. Two cups of pork broth or beef broth and 2 cups of chicken broth. And then we're going to put the flour. The paste. And then the beef. Put the beef. And then boil this for an hour. Simmer for an hour. So that the beef will be soft and tender. I'll cover it. Okay, so we will boil it for an hour. Ang lapot niya na, oh. So it becomes very creamy because of the flour. See, palambutin pa natin tong beef. An hour. After an hour, put the potatoes and the carrots. Because the beef is very soft by then. Okay. After almost 1.5 hours of simmering beef, potatoes and carrots, we will put the kale. Okay, put the kale. Okay. And then let it boil again so that it will be soft. And the the potatoes and the carrots will be soft too. Okay. So let it simmer again, or maybe 10 minutes, 10 minutes more. Okay, so check the beef and check the beef stew. If it's sticking in the pan, and then let it check it. Check if the potatoes and the carrots are soft enough. Are soft. Let's see. Still hard. Okay, the potato is already good, but the carrots is a little bit hard. Okay, the last ingredient that we will put is the sweet peas. Okay, so we put it there. Maybe 10 more minutes and then it's already done. Okay, now it's ready to serve. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the plate so we can taste and eat it. Okay, I hope to try it too. Okay, andito tayo ngayon. Ang ating iaano natin itong mga niluto natin, itong beef stew at saka laing. Ito si Ana, isa kong office mate, at saka si Nancy.
Hi.
Okay, welcome to our vlog. Okay, so sandali lang.